Hello guys, so here's Visual Studio Code. So in case you're wondering how to enable light theme, as you can see here, this is like a light theme, so it's not dark. So you can go to Code, Preferences, and then Color Theme. And then you can just enable all these like light themes here. So a lot of people like dark themes, but few people also like color light themes. So you can just use Command K, Command T shortcut, and there you will have all these themes. And then there are like dark themes, and there are like also high contrast themes. So that's about that. So yeah, in case you just want to have this light Visual Studio or quiet light, so different options. Okay, this one is not that great for me, but just like standard light studio seems okay. So yeah, hope that helps.